ice and tea, sugar, ice, wala kasa. If I pay for go, if I go, we tire for blow. We for blow. It's in them what happen at the country.
Yeah, Usman Fodeyansane and the appointed executive and the go tire now. It's in the way they happen at the country. Tire and put them.
Me, I don't know what to be this. The way I for go. Me, I don't know what to be this.
The appointed executive of the APC then for go one democracy now.
I don't know what to be this. The way I for go. The paper for go. The way I for go. The paper for go. Retire for blow. We fed up with the killing at the country. I beg when I tell you, Prezo.
Everything where they happen, the killing and this, they appointed executive of APC now they talk nothing, so we don't tell them they all, so we then go, yeah, we then go, this month, the executive for go,
Now they feel alright, come on it. Now they feel okay, now they feel alright, and not.
Me fambo them this now when I picking Basharaka today again. Today I can talk about issues them way they burn people in chest and at the country. First of all, I want to start with the APC. I start with the 2018 flag bearer, where a lot of APCians that they see and say, one, and get corruption case, two, like you know go be fit, and also like the large business where they aid. And people they watch and say like possibly be don't stand with corruption, and possibly be say be don't hold pollution and be don't corrupt this country. The white people don't find that no go fit for they as flag bearer for APC, because we not go where the night hour then notify the man, then we not get any other candidates for put them. So now make us APCian with the fed for CC people will get clean record with and take over the party. And when they talk, the executive in time don't dumb, and almost this month here now in the dumb. So we they talk to the executive of APC for where them go, make them pack them bundle and go and live we with a democratic constitution where we go take over the APC for make we go able they as a family again and make them serve as advisors then to we, because we get a lot of competent people in the APC with them for take the APC. We not go green for Freemason them for can't take over this party, lodge and occultic people them. Salon a religious country and Salon a religious tolerance country. So we want people where be said and get clean record with and take the country and let we able go outside where they go. Number two, I want to talk about the current things and where they happen now in the country. First, I want to give kudos to be darling young star. I think they don't prove them above all reasonable doubt that Salon Kibu make them, and there is hope for Salon. And I want to talk about the president's. As I been on the token and at the token because the first lady I don't know now and don't thief 10 and no way not in how for call the thief. But I want to talk the law where government want put say like local council election like politics not for today. There are other people that don't talk, but I just want for carry of mouth pan and back because I been on the token. And that means say now one party state one can as Sierra Leone, that is number one. Number two, which means say no other small party no go do no go get C4 party like C4C, NGC, the and other boku other party they no go day in existence, because the other way they go day now we then give them the free will for make them participate. And most of them then get and support them from most side and Sabide, whether them tribal minds them or the district or whatsoever. So if you put that law there, which means it will affect them greatly. And the other thing again, we will find out if it doesn't happen, maybe man will go turn and city council chairman na McKinney. Maybe man will go turn like mayor na McKinney. And likewise, Tim the man will go turn and if it doesn't happen, also go count a lot of chaos, which means say now na application, the right application for like na job be the go sing. Where be say it go make the politics not go speed and the internal politics not go play fine. So now that not the thing, but the talk APC una do up, una left the people that we then correct for take over the party, we then take over the party. Then part there, then time done, so they need for go and nothing no go stop them, then for go and we don't tire them for go.
Ice and tea. Sugar, ice, walakasa. If I pay for go, if for go, we tire for blow. We for blow. The thing then what happen at the country, not sweet, so I swear you for go. You for go, if I pay for go, you for go, we tire for blow. We for blow. The thing then what happen at the country, not sweet, so I swear you for go. Yes, you for go. Me I don't know what to be this. The way I for go. Me I don't know what.
So we want make the puppet then go where they left the party, the youth them, and make them able for like come with the democratic constitution where they make the adopt them and make we go on with APC, because APC now they up after everything where they happen in this country. So if now they puppet them while all on this party, make them go. This it only 4 months for them, make them go. And we want hope. APC now be the only hope for Salone. APC now the only party where we will change the narrative. So that's why I leave you with this music from MRC. Somebody.
The situation got me thinking. I'm not gonna lie. Think I'm like a normal Salone man thinking. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I don't know sky way for think I'm again. I don't lose them all. I don't root stay out for roots I'm again. We don't cuss them, we don't share them over and over again. Man, and they tell me, say, what's yonder, can't see them over, yeah. Now I understand, now I understand the reggae. My people are waiting for bread and butter. Yeah, tomorrow don't come back. See, my people are waiting for bread and butter. Yeah, tomorrow don't come back. We don't know now if not do, then do we. The love will bring you back. Some man say up and it's all then give we. The love will bring you back. Hello, Sierra Leone, hey. Somebody give me hope, oh, Salone, Sierra Leone, hey, you are suffocating me, hope, oh, Salone, Sierra Leone, hey, your people ain't pan the rope, oh, Salone, Sierra Leone, hey.